We don't have a lot of detailed information in that filing. What's your take on Alibaba from what you know now, and what would you have to see in terms of numbers and valuation that would make it a compelling stock to buy for you?
Well, Alibaba is certainly a big name, and it's done fairly, fairly well. And in fact, actually, I think this is one thing actually people should be aware of, because whenever people look at China, they look at the China macro stuff, they worry about the growth slowdown, the property market concern, and all that. But if you look at really underneath, the private sector actually has been doing fairly well, right? To some extent, I mean, Alibaba is one, Tencent is one, so all these internet companies seem to be doing very well. So back to Alibaba, and then it's the biggest e-commerce company in China, and it's going to be one of the biggest in the world, and they're going to raise a lot of money, and the e-commerce sector is actually growing very, very strongly. And in fact, actually, if you go to China now, people actually spend less on the department stores. They don't actually go to the department stores to buy things, actually they go to the internet, e-commerce, and actually they are doing very, very well. So I think the business certainly has still seen a lot of growth, I expect. Certainly we need to see the numbers. I think the question is, of course, the valuation. I mean, we'll wait and see what kind of valuation they're going to price the stock.
But it sounds like, from what you've described, that it would warrant a premium valuation.
It's going to be priced at a premium, yes.
Now, in terms of its business, does it need to expand outside of China? Is it attractive just as is?
I think for now, actually, there's still a lot of potential, a lot of growth, to grow domestically within China. But I'm sure at some point, Mr. Ma, would love to look at overseas markets.